Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you are coming from. This is Onkwani, Kenya from Minnesota, USA. Sorry guys, it's been a while since I did my last video. The reason being it's been a cold weather here in the US, you know, winter time. Coming out to make videos has been a problem, but today I tried to come out because guess what, we had a big snowstorm in Minnesota which has been going on for the last 2 days. So I decided to come out quick so that I can show you what's going on. So right now I just got out. It's around 4 o'clock to make a quick video because it's snowing. It's very cold out here. You can see my outfit of the day. Yeah, you can see my outfit of the day. I'm wearing a hat which makes me warm. I got the big jacket. I got some t-shirt underneath, and you see my shoes. You can see the shoes, the snowshoes I'm wearing to cover me from the cold weather. So as you can see right now, we have got vehicles here. The snow has been so bad that has covered cars everywhere. You see this vehicle has been covered by the snow. Look at the snow right now. It's 10 inches snow, my good friends. So by the way, for those who are coming out for the first time to watch my video, please subscribe, give a notification, like, and also comment and tell me which kind of videos you want me to bring for you from Minnesota, USA. Minnesota is one of the coldest states during the winter, so it's been so hard for me to come out and do videos because it's really cold. It's freezing cold. But today, because we had a big storm, big snowstorm which came out the last 2 days, and it's still going on until tomorrow, I decided to come out quick to make a little bit video to show you what's going on, what we're going through right now. So guys, you can see I'm asking you, for those who are coming in right now, just comment, subscribe, please share with a friend. It's a new channel coming out from USA, Minnesota, and my channel name is Onkwani Kenya. One love guys. So please give me some love and show me some notification so that you can know what's going on here in Minnesota. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour, a quick video, what's going on before it's so cold. So you can see right now, just want to show you guys, look, this car has been here for the last 1 day. Look at the snow on it. For those who doesn't, you can just look closer here. Yeah, it's covered with a lot of snow. There's snow everywhere. So I'm going to give you a tour around of what's going on so that you can see how it's going on down here in Minnesota. You see around this is the community that I'm living at. You can see the snowstorm around. Yeah, this is snow. Yeah, and for those who live in the USA, especially the states which gets a lot of winter, you can comment underneath there and let me know, did you have a winter storm, a snowstorm this weekend, or what's going on in your state? Here in Minnesota, we had a big snowstorm which started like 2 days ago, and still it's on until tomorrow. But thank God I had to sneak out quick and give you a tour about the weather. Usually this kind of snowstorm, when it comes out, schools are closed down. Students or kids don't go to school because the passes, or it's inaccessible to go to school. So usually they stop going to school, and some people can work from home because the weather is very hostile, cold, slippery, and so many accidents happen during this time of the winter. So you can see what's going on. Yeah, look at the weather. This is my neighborhood. I'm gonna give you a quick tour of what's going on, guys. You know, so watch this and see what's going on in Minnesota, USA. For those guys who are coming in for the first time, kindly subscribe, watch my videos, give me a thumbs up, do a notification so that you can get this video when it comes up, and also you can like, and also you can give me a comment. Do you want more of these videos? Because this is the time of the winter, these are the only activities that's taking place here. So look at this road right now, that the one I'm walking right here. This road, there's what we call, they put some sand which is mixed with salt to melt down the snow on the roads. So usually the big snow trucks, they come with sand mixed with snow, with salt, and they spray the roads and it melts down. That's why you see these roads are very clear, so cars are driving through. But the rest of the place is covered with snow. So far we had 10 inches of snow, guys. 10 inches is a big thing. So you can see, I'm gonna show you quick because it's getting cold and more snow is coming down. So, you know, look at the snow. Look at this snow spot. So, I'm right here. You can see this is the junction of the road. So I'm gonna walk you through this street of my neighborhood so that you can see what's going on. I'm gonna do a very quick tour so that you can know what is going on. We have a big snowstorm. I mean 10 inches, and we never expected this kind of snow because it's approaching spring, guys. So we expected the spring to come, rain, and then that makes to summertime. But all of a sudden things changed, and we are getting all this, you know, this unexpected snowstorm. And they have said it might be going on through the week. So what can we do? Nothing. It is what it is. We have to go through this during this time of the year. You can see the car down. So, like I said, these are some of the things in the streets. This is a small library, street library. So guys, walk with me as I'm giving you this little view about what happened in Minnesota for the past 2 days, where we had a snowstorm. This is ice, guys. Ice. You know, I can carry this stone like this. See this stone here? Yeah, see, I'm carrying a snow. This is a snowball. It's cold. Oh, look at. Whoa. Yeah, look at. Put it down. Okay, my hands are cold. My hands are freezing cold right now. So this is Minnesota, and it is what it is. During this time of the year, we are expecting to have a spring season, but something happened and all of a sudden we had a snowstorm which came from nowhere, so we have to put up with this. Very cold. I'm dressed up warm so that I can walk through this ice. The roads are very slippery though, so you can see that what's happening. Yeah, so wow. So I had to walk through. Yeah, this is what's going on here. You can see that's a school right there. It's closed down because there's a lot of snow today. Students or kids cannot go to school today because the buses or nobody can access to school because snow is everywhere. It's so hard to access. The roads are very slippery, they're icy. So what they usually do, they close the schools down. Some businesses close down when we have this kind of weather. It's really challenging. These are one of the challenges, you guys, we go through. Those people are in the diaspora, those people are living in the US or in the cold season, especially the people in Europe. I think European countries, they receive winter, and USA, Canada, those are the countries that get this type of weather. So you can see, guys, what's going on. Now you see the girls. See, guys. Yeah, that's a school right there. It's closed down right there. No kids in school today because of the snowstorm. These roads are very clear because I said they mix sand with salt and they spray on the roads, then it melts the snow down, but the rest of the place is as it is. So this one is gonna stay here for a while, you know, like I showed you. I showed you this. Look at the stone. Look at this stone here. You know, this snow, it cools down until it's like a stone. So like I'm smashing down like that. So my hands are cold. I need to wear gloves. Yeah. This is what it is right now. Yeah, the school is right there. That's Catholic Community St. Otila. There's a school, a Catholic school right here in the neighborhood where students go. It's one of the most expensive schools. It's a Catholic school right there. So let me keep on walking around. So you can see the trees are yet, the leaves are shaded off. That's how it looks like when it's winter time. The trees have got no leaves at all. But with some time after this winter goes off, there will be a spring season, rain will come, and then they will start germinating the leaves. But there's some other small trees right there. Those are called cypress trees. The cypress trees are resistant to winter. They don't shed leaves at all. They remain the same way they are. So you can see right there, those are a lot of cypress. Those are cypress trees. They are very resistant to this weather. Those are cypress right there. Right there, those are cypress. There's another one right there. You know? This snow all over, guys. Yeah. And this is a sidewalk. I'm walking on the road, we call it a sidewalk, whereby people can walk through, and there's a road for the cars on the other side, and the vehicle for the vehicles. So see over there, those trees have got no leaves at all. Okay, there's another school here, another neighboring school, which is closed right there. That school is closed down because of the snowstorm. So there's no activity going on. Kids stay at home indoors, they chill in because this weather is very cold. The buses which carry them to school, they cannot manage to go through to various places to pick them up. So what they do, they close it down during this type of the weather. So we are expecting maybe in another 2 days they will come back when it goes down. But for now, there's no schools. So that school is closed down, as I said, guys, because of the snowstorm in Minnesota. Look at that side of there's a lake. That lake is frozen. There's apartments built around the lake. So this is what's going on. Those are motor vehicles. People are driving, but they need to drive very slow with the care, because if you slide out of the road, you're gone. So you have to drive with a lot of care because of the slippery roads, icy roads, something like that. But we have some other crazy people who can drive like madmen. They don't care, and they end up being in the ditch because their cars will start. Look at this snow pile over here. There's a pile of snow. So those big trucks, snow trucks, they dig the snow from over there and they pile it right here. So it's gonna stay here for a while. These are big blocks of snow. They turn into stones. This one, it's now a snow stone. Okay, that's the name of the school. It's called Island Lake Elementary School. This right there, it's closed down because of this snowstorm. Guys, I'm feeling very cold because it's really cold, but I'm gonna walk so fast so that I can finish this video. Like I said, it's been a while since I did my last video, and the reason being, the weather has been so hostile, very cold. Coming out to do some videos, it's been a mess. So today I kind of sacrificed myself to make you a video because we are having a snowstorm for the last 2 days, and this is Minnesota, guys. Look at this. This is Minnesota, one of the coldest states in the US. So I'm gonna push this button here so that it can let me cross over the road. You can't cross that way. You have to wait until it's over there. It turns into, it gives you a signal to close. So guys, this is like a cross junction with so many cars coming, you know. Yeah. So I'm here. Okay, I'm gonna close, guys. Let's close. Whoa. Closing over now. Here. Oh my goodness. It's so slippery here. Wow. So guys, look at that road from there. And look at the other one from there. And look at this big, that's a water tank of my city shore view. You know, this is the road. This is a sidewalk. It's kind of slippery, so I have to walk with a lot of care so that I don't fall down. It's very slippery. You see, guys, this snow is very, yeah. So guys, check me out as Onkwani Kenya from US Minnesota, but I'm originally from Kenya. I was raised in Kenya but moved over to the USA a few years ago. So I'm right here giving you the best videos to show you what's going on in Minnesota, what's going on in the USA. You know, some people from other countries don't receive snow, they don't know what's going on. So I'm trying to show you. Even there's some people in the US, some states in the USA which does not get snow at all. I want to show them what's going on. So in the comment section, guys, please comment if you are in the USA. In America, did you get a snowstorm this weekend, or how much inches of snow did you get this weekend? As we got 10 inches, wow, and it's still going on. So we're kind of struggling here with the communication system. Driving is very, very risky, but we do what we can do. So guys, this is what's going on. So here we are. See, oh, that is snow. This is the snow, guys. Oh, it's very cold. It's getting cold. My face is getting cold, but I gotta finish this video for you guys. Please give me a like, notification, and a comment down below. You know, enjoy my video all through. Subscribe. Those people who haven't subscribed, yeah, give me some love, guys. Support my channel to grow. I'm just working for my 1,000 subscribers. Please, guys, wherever you are, tell your friends to support me, you know, so that I can grow this channel. And then I'm ready to give you a lot from Minnesota, USA. So this is what we have right now. So like I said, those are eucalyptus, those are cypress trees right there. They are resistant to winter. They don't change leaves at all. They're like the way they are, cypress trees. But the rest of the trees, see, they have shaded the leaves off until this winter is done. When it comes to spring, then it will sprout up the leaves, and then it will continue like normal. But for now, they are dry. Look at the snow heaps. The trucks dig them and put them together. Look at this. Those are big rocks of snow. Imagine, this is the parking lot where they have to dig this snow. They have to dig this snow from there and bring it all the way up to here, so that it can be heaped here, so it can create space for the cars to be parked there for this apartment building. Guys, it's been a mess, but looks like still we have a lot of snow coming. They have already told us we will get more. For now we have 10 inches of snow, and still we have more falling down. But it is what it is. We have to survive like that. So these are some of the challenges that if you are in Minnesota, you are in those countries that receive winter, this is what you get. Number one, you make sure you must have a car. If you don't have a car, this kind of weather, you cannot survive. I'm telling you guys, it's not vegetable. It's not easy, you know. You have to have a car to manipulate around, to go for work, to go for groceries, to go for any activities in the neighborhood or within the city. Otherwise, it's gonna be costly because you can use Uber, especially Uber. At this moment, they charge a lot of money. Uber, they charge a lot of money when we have a snowstorm like this. You will pay a lot of money. So if you don't have a car, I'm telling you, it makes it so difficult to manipulate around or to communicate around for as far as transport is concerned. So number one key in the USA or in Minnesota, you must have a car, for real. That one is true story. You can't no shortcut to that. You must have a car to go around. You must drive. If you don't drive, you're gonna waste a lot of money taking a taxi or taking a Uber. Uber, they are very common here, but they are very expensive. And they take advantage of this kind of weather because you have no choice. You have to go to work, you have to travel, you have to move around, you have to go to get your groceries, shopping and stuff. So it means you need to use Uber if you don't have a car. So it's very important you must drive. That one is true story. So guys, today myself, I didn't go to work. I had to work from home because my work, thank God, I have a job that I can work from home. I can log in and work from home when the weather is so bad like this. So I thank God for that. That's why it's around 4. I just came out to give you a quick video showing you how the snowstorm is around, how we went through what we went through the weekend. The weekend was very rough. We were indoors. We didn't do anything. Just we watched the snow from inside. And today I decided, let me come out and show you. Look at everything is surrounded with snow. Everything is surrounded with snow. You know. Look at the parking lot. You know. So look at this. This is the snow. This is Minnesota for you guys. Minnesota, USA for you guys. Minnesota for us guys. So, this is Minnesota for us. Yeah. Good job. See, everything is surrounded with the snow. Where you don't see the snow, I said there's trucks which mix sand and salt, and then they spray it over this. That's why you see the roads are clear, where people can drive through, at least to make the activities or the businesses to keep going. So they try to help a little bit. So this is what's going on. Guys, look at this end right there. There's snow everywhere. There's snow on the other side. Look at the snow. It's right there. So guys, I'm getting very cold. I'm really cold. Cold. Look at the roof of that building. There's snow on top of it. Guys, look at the snow on top of that roof all over. Okay. Snow is all the way up to the roof. Look at this yard. There's a lot of snow. So guys, this is what's going on in Minnesota. Because it's getting too cold, guys. I'm really getting cold. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can end my video right here. So look at this. These snow blocks, snow piles. So guys, I'm just gonna end up my video right here because the weather is getting too cold for me to bear outside. All I want to say, thank you so much for those who are watching my video. I'm gonna ask you guys to support my video, road to 1,000. Give me some love, put a like, notification, and also comment down there what you think about this video, snowstorm in Minnesota. And also guys, I'm asking you guys to share my video to your families, to friends, tell a friend, to tell a friend, so that I can grow my channel, so that I can give you more videos. Like again I said, I'm gonna end this video right here. Thank you so much. Thank you for everything. This is Onkwan Kenya from Minnesota, USA, just saying a word of bye and may God bless you. Ciao.